Warm greetings to everyone. I'm Namrata Naik. Today I'm going to deal with the topic gifted children. Gifted education, also known as gifted and talented education, GATE. Talented and gifted, TAG or G bar T, is a broad term for special practices, procedures, and the theories used in education of children who have been identified as gifted or talented. The gifted children are those children who passes IQ 140 and above are called gifted children. The gifted children or talented, one who shows consistently remarkable performance in any work while endeavor. Gifted children. The children capable of high performance include those with a demonstrated achievement and or potential ability in any of the following areas, singly or in combination. General intellectual ability, specific academic aptitude, creative for the productive thinking. Leadership ability, visual and performing arts, or psychomotor ability. Gifted individuals are those who demonstrate outstanding level of attitude or competencies in one or more domains. The domain include any structural area of activity with its own symbol system. Example, mathematics, music, language, and or set of sense and motor skills. Example, painting, dance, sports. Definition. According to Hearst, 1958, the talented or gifted child is one who shows a consistent, remarkable performance in any worthwhile line of endeavor. According to Sidney Marland, 1972, gifted and talented children are those identified by professionally qualified persons who by virtue of outstanding abilities are capable of high performance. There are children who required differentiated educational programs and surveys beyond those normally provided by the regular program in order to realize their contribution to self and society. Children capable of high performance include those with a demonstrated achievement and or potential ability in any of area like general intellectual ability, specific academic aptitude, creative or productive thinking, leadership ability, and visual and performance arts. Characteristics of gifted children. Gifted children learn rapidly and easily, retain what they have heard or read without much more drill, are capable of making use of learning things. Reason things out, think clearly, recognize relationship, and possess the ability of making sound judgment and generalization. Possess the ability to acquire and manipulate abstract symbol system. Demonstrate superiority in terms of the language development, like having a large vocabulary and getting it used easily and accurately. Processes ability to solve the problems by representing the questions and creating novel solutions. Possesses the ability to leadership more particularly in areas of their giftedness. Demonstrate the ability of performance difficult mental tasks, academic work for the activities related to these areas of giftedness 1 or 2 years in advance of their grade peers. Demonstrate the potential of the high energy level by remaining alert, keenly observant, and responding quickly in the class and work situations. Thank you.